Hwachung is like the most devoted character ever. So like he is like basically very beautiful, and like let me tell you like the various components of his cosplay. Like for the first of all, like why is Hwachung Hwachung, and why like he has like an eye patch. So he wears that eye patch because his one eye is red, and the eye is red because he was born under this evil star, and people consider him unlucky. So he wanted to curse people, and he jumped off the bridge so to sabotage the kingdom. So Shelian, his god, his Shelian says that I am your highness, I am your most devoted believer, like the most devoted ever, like the best believer of yours. So like the epiphany of devotion. So like Shelian saves him, and then he goes like to his Shelian's temple and like, why did you save me? Like I wanted to die and I wanted to curse everyone. Why did you save me? And then Shelian, who was a god, he goes to his believer, he gives them his umbrella, and he says like, if you don't have a reason to live, just make me your reason to live. And that's why he uses his umbrella, and like he has followed Shelian through thins and lows, through highs and like lows, and like he has been his follower for 800 years. Like the gods that insulted him, he has took revenge, and he has done everything like so much. And like he is not everything. Like some people say that Hwachung is only about Shelian. Hwachung also has like his own personality. Like instead of like killing everyone to save a few people, he took out his eye and he made it into a sword, which became a spiritual weapon that is known as Yi-Ming. Okay. Okay, the spiritual weapon that is known as Yi-Ming. And for a ghost king to die, you need his ashes. So he gave his ashes in the form of a ring to Shelian. And when someone asked, like, because he's the ghost king, one of the 4 greatest calamities, like how like people were asking to kill him, like where is your ashes, and he was like, it is at a place that I consider the safest. If the place is destroyed, there's no reason for me to exist anymore. And like people say that, why are you a ghost? Why don't you like just go and just like get like go to heaven and like just live again, like try again? And then he goes like, the person I love is still in the world, the person I value is still in the world, so I don't want to leave him behind, I want to stay. And like this yearning won't let him go, and that's why, that's devotion, that's Hwachung. Thank you everyone.